Hi, my name is Anthony. I'm an R&I tech here at Elite Paintless Dent Repair, and today we're going to be working on this 2018 Ford Focus ST, and we're going to show you what us R&I techs have to do in order to get your car prepared for our dent techs to go in and push your dents out. So, first we're going to be starting with your visor. We're going to take off this little cap that's covering up the screws. And we use this little spoon here just to take that cap off. And there's the little cap. Next, we're going to be taking our Torque 20 or Torque 25, going up in there and taking those screws out. In this car we have 2 screws, some other cars we have multiple. Just gonna put the screws in there for right now, pull this down. Sometimes there's a wire, sometimes there is not. This one you don't have to unplug. Next, we're gonna be taking out the visor clip. Usually the same size for the Torque or whatever screw it is. And then you'll just be able to pull that right out. We'll go ahead and put that in a different little slot. Next, we're going to be taking out your handle. Again, we're going to use our little spoon here. And with this one, these caps just pop right off. And then there should be, looks like another Torque. Yep, another Torque 20. Now what I like to do to make sure that these screws don't fall out is I'll keep the screws in there and then put the clip back on, or the cover piece. Maybe, there we go. The other one we won't worry about right now. And then I like to put these in the door for whichever side it's on. Next, we're gonna go ahead and go to this B pillar over here. Want to take the weather stripping off, that way you have a little bit better of a grip. Take the bottom piece, we'll take this weather stripping off as well. Bottom piece just pulls off, and then this one looks like it just has a clip for the top part. You just pull it, and then looks like for this one, we have a clip up top. And actually, so that we don't break it, this is our little panel popper tool. Just go right in there, and it should just, well, doesn't look like it's gonna pop right out. Well, actually, we're just gonna leave that in for the time being. We'll be able to take out the headliner without that. Next, I'm gonna go to the back here. And this is basically just like your, basically like your handles up front. Little tab that you pull down. And then, looks like we might have another Torque up here. Yes, sir.